Good morning, students. Yesterday we were doing about rational numbers. In that we have done three properties, two properties. The first one is closure property and the second one is commutative property. And today we shall study about the next property, that is associative property. The third property, that is associative property. And again, the four operations, we have to check it for four operations. And what does this mean? This is means A into B into C is equal to, that is A into B into C. Means if you interchange the bracket, is there any effect? Okay. Now let us see the first property, that is first operation, that is addition. Now addition. Now let us take any three rational numbers. Consider the first one will be 1 upon 2 into, we are talking about addition, so plus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4. So now there are two numbers now. Now the next one again, so what we have to do? 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4. Now let us check it. LHS equal to RHS. Now first start from LHS. So 1 upon 2 plus. Now what is the LCM here? You can see the LCM is 12 here. 3 4s are 12. Now here it will be 4. Here it will be 3. 2 4s are 8. 3 3s are 9. So now same thing here. Now what is the LCM here? LCM is 6 here. So 2 3s are 3 2s are 1 3s are 3 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 upon 4. Now 1 upon 2 as it is. 8 plus 9 is 17 upon 12. Here 3 plus 4 is 7 upon 6 plus 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon. So you can remove the bracket. So now what is the LCM here? 2 and 12. So write 2 here, 12 here. 2 ones are 2 6 are, so 6 ones are. So 12 is the LCM. 12 is the LCM. So write 12 here. 2 ones are 2 6 are, 12 ones are 1 6 are 6 plus 17 ones are 17. And 6 and 4, what is the LCM? 6 and 4. 2 3s are 2 2s are, 3 ones are 2 as it is, 2 ones are. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, 12 is the LCM. 6 2s are 4 3s are, 7 2s are 14, 3 3s are 9. Now 17 plus 6 is how much? 23 upon 12. 14 plus 9 is 23 upon 12. So what it shows? It shows LHS equal to RHS. It shows LHS equal to RHS. What it means? It means for addition, associative property holds. Meant it satisfies, it is means in addition associative property existed, means holds. It satisfies the property. So now this is what about addition. Now we will proceed to the next operation, that is subtraction. Now let us see, next one is subtraction. subtraction. Now again we can choose any three numbers. Let us choose 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4. Okay, now we are talking about associative property. So now the three numbers are minus 4 by 5. You can take any number. So all the three numbers you can take. All the three numbers you can take. You can take any number. Okay. Any number you can take. So I have taken 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 5. And as it is subtraction, and we are putting subtraction between the numbers. Now we are going to interchange the numbers. 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 4 minus 4 upon 5. Now just we have interchanged the numbers. Now let us check LHS is equal to RHS. Is it right or wrong? Let us check it now. Now 1 upon 2 as it is minus. So what is LCM here? LCM is 20 here. 4 5s are 20. Here 5, here 4. 5 3s are 15. Minus 4 4s are 16. That is equal to. Now what is LCM here? 2 and 4. LCM is 4 here. 2 2s are 4 1s are. 1 2s are 2. 3 1s are 3. Minus 4 upon 5 as it is. So 1 upon 2 as it is minus 15 minus 16 is how much? Minus 1 upon 20 is equal to 2 upon minus is minus 1 upon 4 minus 4 upon 5 minus 4 upon 5. Now 1 upon 2 as it is, minus into minus becomes plus. This is 1 upon 20. Now minus as it is 1 upon 4 minus 4 upon 5. I will simplify it now. So what is the LCM here? LCM is again here 20. LCM here 20. 2 tens are 20 ones are 1 tens are 10 plus 1 is equal to. Now what is the LCM here? Again 20 it is. Very correct. 4 5s are 5 4s are 1 5s are 5 minus 4 4s are 16. So now 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 upon 20, and here it is minus 5 minus 16 is minus 21 upon 20. So by looking at these numbers, you can easily say the LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So what we have to write now? We have to write what is the property now? Associative property. Associative property does not exist for subtraction. Associative property. Subtraction is not associative. You can say subtraction is not associative for rational number. So in all you can write subtraction for so what you have to write? Subtraction is not associative for rational number. So subtraction is not associative for rational number. So now we'll do the next one, that is multiplication. Now we'll do the multiplication and check it whether the multiplication property for associative existed or not. Now the third one is multiplication. Now multiplication. Again, you can take any three numbers. Now, for example, you can write every time you can write what is A equal to 2 upon 3, B equal to minus 3 upon 7, and C equal to minus 5 upon 4. Anything you can take, any numbers. Every time if you write like this, A, B, C is what? Is fine. Okay now. Now we are doing now multiplication. We are doing multiplication now. So now, so again the same formula you write, here it is. That is 2 upon 3 into B is how much? Minus 3 upon 7 into what is C? Minus 5 upon 4. Okay now, that is equal to again A into B. A is what? 2 upon 3 into B is what? Minus 3 upon 7. And what is C? Minus 5 upon 4. So A into B into C. Now A into B into C. Now let us check it. What will be the answer? 2 upon 3. Let us open the bracket now. Minus into minus becomes plus. 3 5s are 15. 7 4s are 28. That is equal to. Now 2 3s are 6. 3 7s are 21. Into minus 5 upon 4. Now both are positive, so you can 15 2s are 30, 28 3s are 50. How much it is? 28 3s are 74. 78. 28 3s are 74. So minus into minus plus 6 5s are 30. 21 4s are 84. So 28 3s how much it is? 84 it is. So by looking at these numbers, you can easily say LHS equal to RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. So what it shows? It shows LHS equal to RHS. It means associative property. Associative property means multiplication is associative. You can write multiplication is multiplication is associative. For what? Rational number. Multiplication is associative for rational number. So this is how we have to check it. Now the last one, that will be division. Let us check for division. Okay now. Now division. Again you can write A equal to something. A equal to 2 upon 3. B equal to 5 upon 6. And C equal to minus 3 upon 4. You can take any number. You can take any number. You can take any number. Now let us check what will happen. LHS equal to RHS or what? Okay, now let us see. A. So in place of A, write 2 upon 3. In place of multiplication, write division 5 upon 6. Again division minus 3 upon 4. So is equal to 2 upon 3 division 5 upon 6 division minus 3 upon 4. Minus 3 upon 4. Now let us solve it now. 2 upon 3 division. First we'll open it. So 5 upon 6 as it is. If we make it multiplication, what happens? What happens? The reverse will be there. You know, 4 upon 3. The minus sign remains. The minus sign remains. Now what happens? So multiplication, we have done multiplication. And the bracket remains. The same way you have to do it here. 2 upon 3. So again 6 upon 5. 6 upon 5. Division will be there. Minus 3 upon 4. Okay now. So 2 upon 3 as it is. Division is there. Multiply. So minus here. So this is plus. Plus into minus. Minus 5 4s are 20. 6 3s are 80. Now in the same way, 2 6s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Division minus 3 upon 4. Now again here 2 upon 3. Now multiplication. Now what happens? So minus 18 upon 20. The sign, the numerator will become denominator and the denominator will become numerator. Same way 12 upon 15 into minus 4 upon 3. Minus 4 upon 3. Now 18 3 2s are how much? So minus 36. 23s are 60. 12 4s are minus 48. 15 3s are 45. Now let us simplify. 6 6 6 10s. 2 3s 2 5s. The first one will be minus 3 upon 5. That is equal to. Okay, now here also. Now 3 1s 3 6. 3 1s 5s. So 16 upon 15 minus 16 upon 15 minus 16 upon 15. So by looking at these numbers, you can easily say LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, so you can write division is not associative for rational number. So division is not associative for rational number. So now we have completed the three properties. The first property is closure property. In closure property, division is not closure property. Division is not closure. Division is not closure. Whereas in commutative property, subtraction and division is not commutative. And whereas in associative property, what is that? Subtraction and division is not associative property. So in general, you must remember the main 4 points. First of all, closure property, division not closure. Division is not closure. Division is not closure. So division is not closure. And whereas in commutative property, subtraction and division is not commutative. Whereas in the last one, that is associative property. Associative property, same thing. Not associative means subtraction and division is not associative. So this is the summary of the three properties, and the rest everything is okay. Now we understood that the three important properties, and another important thing we need to understand: for rational numbers, for rational numbers, for rational numbers, for rational numbers, and okay, now you need to remember one thing. Okay, now let us solve some examples, and I will explain in between what I wanted to tell you. Okay, now let us solve some examples, and we'll move to the exercise 2.1. Okay, now okay, exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Using appropriate properties, find. Using appropriate properties, find the value of it. That is minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. Now, by looking at this, so you have to remember what to do. You have to simplify using the three laws, three properties you have learned now. You just check it. How can you do it? Now you can, looking at this, 3 ones, 3 twos, you can cancel here. Here also you can cancel 3 and 3. So what remains here? Minus 2 upon 5 here, plus 5 upon 2 as it is, and minus 1 divided by 5 twos are 10. Now this is remaining now. Okay, now, and now here the all three numbers are different, and you have to find first what? LCM. You have to find LCM. So now there are three numbers, 5, 2 and 10. Now first of all find LCM. 2 ones are, so 5 as it is, 2 ones are, 2 5s are. Now 5 is here, 5 ones are, 5 2s are. So 2 5s are, so 2 5s are is equal to 10. 10 is a LCM. So write down here 10 is a LCM. 5 2s are, 2 5s are, 10 ones are. So 2 2s are 4 plus 5 5s are 25. Sign 1 1s are 1. Always remember in mathematics, whenever you do, remember the signs. Okay, now minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 plus 25 upon 10. So minus 5 plus 25 is how much? 20 upon 10. Ones are, twos are. So answer is 2. Answer is 2. Or you can put even 2 upon 1, because as we are dealing with rational numbers, any number can be written in the form of rational number. Now we got the answer as 2, and 2 can be written in the form of rational number, that is 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1. So like this you have to do this. Okay, now let us do the second example now. I think you noted down. Now we'll move to the second example. Two upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. Now, again same thing, you have to simplify. Now, let us check. These are the two numbers. So if we cannot cancel it, so just multiply. 2 3s are 6, 5 7s are 35. Okay now. So write minus here. So you can cancel here. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So 1 divided by 2 2s are 4 plus 2 1s are 2 7s are. So 1 upon 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Now, so there are now three numbers, that is minus 6 upon 35, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 35. So what is the LCM now? So 35, 4 and 35. Okay now? 35 ones are 4. 35 fours are how much? 140. 35 fours are 140. 35 fours are 4 35 are 35 fours are. Okay now? 6 fours are 24 minus 1 35 are 35 plus 1 fours are 4. Now this is minus 59 plus 4 divided by 140. Now this is minus 55 divided by 140 is the answer. So minus 55 by 140. So this is the answer. Now we'll move to the next example. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. Additive inverse. Right, second one. Additive inverse. Additive inverse. So, what do we mean by additive inverse? Additive inverse. So, before going to that, so now we'll little bit understand about the additive inverse. Okay now. So the whole meaning of the additive inverse is, for example, before going to the exercise, now for example, if a number is there 2, if a number is there 2, now if you wanted to find out what is the additive inverse of this 2, means if you add what to this number, you should get 0. What should be added to the given number? What should be added to the given number to get 0? That will be simple, that is minus 2. For example, if the number is 3 upon 5, so what will be the additive inverse of 3 upon 5? Very simple, just minus 3 upon 5 is there. The additive inverse of this number is 3 upon 5. Just put the sign, reverse sign of it. If initially is plus, so you have to put negative sign. If it is negative here, you have to put, if you subtract from 3 upon 5 to minus 3 upon 5, what you will get? 0. Means the whole idea is any number is there, if any number is there, if you add one number and the sum of those two numbers should be 0, then that number is known as additive inverse. So additive inverse of 2 is minus 2. Additive inverse of minus 3 upon 5 is 3 upon 5. Additive inverse of minus 7 upon 1 is what? 7 upon 1. That is 0. Additive inverse of 6 is minus 6. Additive inverse of minus 20 is plus 20. Like that. Means any number is just, if you put just minus sign to it, and that will become the additive inverse of that number. So now I think you understood the meaning of additive inverse. So now, so additive inverse. So write additive inverse of each of the following. The first one, what is the additive inverse of 2 upon 8? So you have to write additive inverse of 2 upon, additive inverse of 2 upon 8 is, so minus 2 upon 8. Just you have to write the negative number, the reverse number, the opposite number. The opposite number of 2 upon 8 is minus 2 upon 8. In the same way, the additive inverse of minus 5 upon 9 is, so 5 upon 9. The minus sign will go, it becomes positive. Same way, the third one, the additive inverse of minus 6 upon minus 5. Minus 6 upon minus 5. So minus minus becomes plus. Now 6 upon 5. So the answer will be minus 6 upon 5. Just put one minus sign. So minus 6 upon 5. Okay. What is the fourth one? That is, what is the additive inverse of 2 upon minus 9? 2 upon minus 9 is what? Is what? 9 upon 2. Is 9 upon 2. Is 9 upon 2. Whether, for example, you might be confusion. If the minus is here, you can write this minus here also. Or you can write minus here also. There will be no change. There will be no change. Got it? Got my point? Okay, now the next number is 19 upon 16. 19 upon minus 6. So is 6 upon 19. 6 upon 19. 6 upon 19. The additive inverse of 19 upon 6 is 6 upon 19. So this is how the additive inverse are calculated. Now, tomorrow we are going to do the third question of the exercise 2.1. Before that, you can try yourself. You can try yourself, and if you could do it, fine. Otherwise, tomorrow we shall do the next remaining questions. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Goodbye.